hadn't intended to do this, but I had some zucchini left over. So I'm going to show you how to make fried zucchini. It's good, my family loves it, and it's easy. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I've got some vegetable oil heating up on the stove, and I'm going to make my breading station. And on this, to start off with, you want some plain flour, and the last one, you want some self-rising meal. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt to each one, the flour and the meal, and a little bit of garlic powder to the meal. And in the middle one, I'm going to crack an egg, and put some milk, and beat that with a fork. Now, if you want to, you could put like hot sauce in this egg and milk, and you can use red pepper in your flour mix. But I just use a little bit of salt because I will sprinkle it with salt when they get through frying. Now my zucchini, I cut very, very thin. It tastes better, and you just don't get a mouthful of the zucchini. Now, that's just the way my family likes it. If you don't mind that, you can cut them as thick as you would like. But this is about how thick. So get us started, and you just want to dip it first into the flour, then into your egg wash, and then into the meal. Then you just want to shake off the excess and drop it into your oil that's gotten hot. Those brown. And it won't take them long. Starting to get brown around the edges, you just want to flip them over. Get brown on that side. I did wash my zucchini. They're starting to get too big a seed, so I'm not going to fool with those. And you just want them to drain. So how isn't that pretty? Golden brown. Sprinkle with a little bit of salt. And get my next batch off. And I can't thank Cookie enough for this zucchini. have really enjoyed it. My relish turned out really good. And I forgot to tell you, it's great on smoked sausages. And there they are. All of them but the one I tasted. Had to taste it to make sure that it was fitting to eat. It's the cook's prerogative, and as you can tell, I cook a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. And until next time, bye.